Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing the Universal TV stand for Universal TVs. It's the UT1002, whatever that means, and if you have a TV, this should totally work, because it is a Universal TV stand. And it comes with what you see here, minus the TV itself. That's kind of the point. It's the stand, not the TV and stand. That's why there's no and. And I'm going to be using my trusty dusty knife, because I love using my knives because I don't have fingernails. So, let's get this party started. Alright, so we're going to cut that nice and simple, nice and easy, nice and fast. Knives can be used for a multitude of things, especially for cutting tape. Alright, so let's see if there's anything else that I have to cut here. I think there is some more tape over here on the sides. Pretty easy to do this. And there's no tape there, and might be some tape here. Is there tape? Feels like there's not tape that... Nah, whatever, we're gonna use it anyways. It's fine. Alrighty. Alright, so let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. And it's upside down. Okay, let me just turn it up, flip it over. Alright, so this is all the things that are inside. There's this thing, which holds the stand and the TV together. It's the middle component. And then there's something in this box I'm going to have to take out. And there's instructions, and it's like, this looks like it's going to be really hard to do. And there's like a lot of pieces, and it's not focused, but whatever. And it just looks like it's gonna be complicated. Oh yeah, we don't. Damn it! Get out of my face. All right, we don't need those instructions. We'll figure it out. It's like working with Lego pieces. You just kind of do it as you do it, and it'll be easy to figure out. So we've got the bottom part over here, and it's kind of heavy. It's a little heavy. I'm not gonna lie. A little heavy. And then some styrofoam, and I think that's it. So let's see what's in those little tiny boxes. So there's the middle piece, there's the bottom piece, so that's perfect. So we got the bottom and the middle, and in here should be the two pieces that, let's see. Oh, there's this piece, and there's a lot of, this is all the all the mini stuff, the micro stuff, the screws and the bolts and the nuts, and all that other good stuff, and that's where the top part is. So we got the top part, don't need that. The top part, okay, and this is what'll where the monitor will be hooked onto. That's cool. And then we've got these little pieces over here, which we're gonna have to attach to the monitor, and then we hook them onto this piece, the top piece. And then these little tiny pieces over here, which I think we have to screw to the bottom. Looks like that would make sense to do. Okay. And like I said before, we've got all sorts of different little gadgets here, and more screws, lots of screws, because you can never have enough screws when it comes to anything in life. And there we go. So the middle piece, the top piece, the screws, the bottom piece, it's all here. I don't think there's anything missing except for the the TV itself, which I already have. So if you do not have a TV, then you don't really need a stand. But if you get a stand, I would recommend getting a TV. The cart before the horse kind of a situation. If you've got a horse, you might as well get a cart. But if you have a cart, then you should probably get a horse. So it's kind of the same situation here. So this is the stand. This is everything that it comes in. Figure it out. Whatever. Ta-da.